Welcome back on brand new episode at Trick Expert. In this episode, we are showing you how to upload file size more than 2 MB on WordPress at XAMPP localhost. What's the exact problem? I had exported the WordPress file contains posts, pages, comments, etc. from my WordPress website, and now I want to upload it on my localhost WordPress site through WordPress importer plugin. It shows that we can upload 2 MB maximum file size. When I am uploading it on my WordPress website, then it gives error. The uploaded file exceeds the upload max file size directive in php.ini because the size of the file which we are uploading 3.22 MB and the maximum allowed to file size is 2 MB. Friends, before showing the solution, I want to say you something in private. Please subscribe this channel to get instantly information about latest uploaded very helpful episode, and like this episode to help and support me for creating and uploading new episode on this channel. Dear friends, in this episode we are telling you 3 solutions. Any one solution can work for you. If the first solution solved your problem, then you don't need to follow second and third. In my case, the third solution solved my problem, but I am telling you all 3 solutions in this episode step by step. Let's get started. Solution 1. Copy the upload underscore max underscore file size and go to the drive where XAMPP installed and open the PHP folder and open the php.ini configuration setting file in your text editor. In my case, Notepad++. Find the upload underscore max underscore file size, change the value into 200 M. Find the post underscore max underscore size, change the value it into 800 M. And find the memory underscore limit and change the value it into 12800 M. Find the max underscore execution underscore time and change the value it into 9000. Find the max underscore input underscore time and change the value into 12000. Click on save button. Now go back to WordPress dashboard and into the import file section to upload file. Here it is still showing maximum file size 2 MB. In my case, problem is not solved. Solution 2. Go back into XAMPP folder. Open the htdocs and then Trick Expert folder. In my case, open the wp-config.php file in text editor. In my case, Notepad++. Scroll down and write the code as we have written and save the file. Now go back to the WordPress site and refresh the page. Here it is still showing maximum size 2 MB. In my case, problem is not solved. Solution 3. Now go back into XAMPP folder and open the htdocs folder. Then open the folder of your website, in my case Trick Expert. Now open the .htaccess file in your file editor. In my case, Notepad++. Copy the code. I have written this code in the description of the episode, so please copy from there and paste it into the .htaccess file and save it. Now go back to WordPress site and refresh the page. Now maximum size 1 MB and the problem has solved. Now we are uploading the file. It will take 3 to 10 minutes as per system speed. Now all done. Here is showing 392 posts while earlier was only 1 post. Friends, if you have questions, suggestions, ask in comment box. Please subscribe, like and share this episode to support and help me creating and uploading new episode. Thank you.